My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Dent coin. Absolutely, in this video, I will show you the surprise update, the surprise of the Dent coin. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new on my channel, so I request all of you that please click the subscribe button, like this video. If you listen my voice, so please don't ignore and kindly click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. I know you all subscribe my channel, that is why I'm telling you thank you so much, friends. Anyways, sorry for joking. Let's start the video, friends, and let's move on. So friends, the current price of the Dent coin in the market is 0.005627 USD dollar is the currently at this time live price, the latest price of the Dent coin in the market, friends. On the other side, if we look, the price changes occur in the Dent coin. So as you can see here, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes occurs in the Dent coin once again as going in negative, friends. So a lot of holders very confused and very worrying about this fast, that why the Dent coin is going down day by day, minute by minute, hour by hour. As you can see, the hour change is negative, so the next hour change is negative. So same like that, the hour by hour, the price of the Dent coin is going down, friend. So now let's see, my friends, the price chart of the Dent coin for the better understanding, and let me show you the surprise news of Dent coin, friends. As you can see here, if you look the price chart at this time, so now the falling time of the Dent coin are start now from the start of yesterday, friends, in the morning. As you can see here, now gradually they move fast down, fast down, fast down. They have no idea to take a jump between these time period. As you can see here, and now they are completed the fast. So I hope that now there is the common procedure, that is the common phenomena of the cryptocurrencies market, and on the basis of technical analysis, I'm telling you, I'm predicted the Dent coin as now it's time to take a jump. It's after a fast, there is a jump. So seem like that now they fast down, they continue this fast for a few hours, and after a few hours there is a lot of chances to they again take a jump. So absolutely, there's a surprise news for all of you. And remember, this jump is not a small jump. This jump will be continue for a long time, friends. After a few hours, there's a jump occurs in the Dent coin. So be ready, be active in the market, friends. Anyways, if you look, the last 1 day price changes occur in the Dent coin, so negative 13.05% price changes occur in the Dent coin, and the highest price is 0.006634 USD dollar is the highest price of the Dent coin in the 24-hour, friends. Absolutely, Dent coin is moving upwards, so I suggest for all of you to please hold. And what's your opinion, what's your suggestion about Dent coin? Please also share in the comment box. Once again, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button, like this video.